Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video on contactless card. If we insert the card, we gain power. In my previous video, lot of friends request I do another video with a simple way to this contactless card, because this card is normally using in the hotels to we insert the card to gain the power. So how we do the connections with the simple and easiest way, because in my previous video I show this card with the MCB to contactor and then load. Now I just show you the simple way. Just we give the power and then give any load. So I'm using the load, this light, RGB light, 220 watt. I just give you the simple connection. You can use any bulb or whatever, or room load, simply using without the contactor or without the MCB. So that is the simple connection I'm going to show you in this video. So you have to watch carefully. As you can see here, it's written here. If my camera can show you, this one is the line in, this one is the line out, and then this one is the neutral. Neutral we give for this contactor to on the power. So here the if we give the supply here, you can see the red light. So I do the connection so you can understand easily. So we use this white cable is a 220 volt. So we give the supply here. For example, this one is the line in. So we give the line in, and then this one is the neutral. So in our case, we give the neutral here, and then also we load neutral also we loop here. So easy for us to get connections, and then we tight the screw. If you want to understand with the contactor how you can use with the contactor, you write in the comment below so I can do another video on that same topic. Now we put the load cable here. It's very simple. Then we tight first. Now before we on the light, you see this one is the input 220 volt, and then this one is the line out for the load. You can use any load, and then neutral we bypass together with this one. This one is the neutral, and then this one is the load neutral. You can give the neutral directly to another supply also can. So now we try to on the power. If I off the lights or flashlight, you can see here the red light, it's signaling the power is already in the card. So if we insert the card now, if you it's directly on our light. If we take out the cards, it's depend on the timer, 10 seconds or 20 seconds after it will automatically off if we take out the card. So as you can see, our light is off. If we insert again the card, we get the supply, and then if we take out the card, no supply. So that is the easiest way you can follow the connections and then use this card to in the room or in your house to using this card to get the power. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.